Hey friends, if you have been following me for a while, then you know how much I love gel press. Well, they are having a special sale, and I am here to share with you my 5 favorite gel press items. And I'm also going to leave a link below so that you can purchase them for yourself during this amazing sale. One of the things I love about gel press is that it's not just about making prints. It's about being able to use the prints you make to create all kinds of different things. I've made faux stained glass with my gel press prints. I've printed on fabric. I've created rugs, lampshades, jewelry, you name it. Gel press is not just for making prints. One of my favorite things to do with gel press is use it in my art journals. It is a great way to add tons of color and texture and pattern in no time. All right, let's go through my 5 favorite gel press items, and make sure to check out the links below so that you can grab any one of these and many more during this incredible sale. Gel Press was kind enough to send me some new versions of my favorite gel presses because the ones I have are not camera ready. I tend to get paint on everything. The first gel press I'm working with is the 3" by 5" rectangle. It's small, cute, and perfect for making little note cards to send to friends. Here I'm making a texture plate with kids' sticky foam. Just put it into an embossing folder and run it through your Big Shot, peel the backing and stick it to some cardboard. Add some paint to the gel press and stamp the texture plate. Now press and pull your paper or cardstock and you have a beautiful patterned print. Next, I'm using the 4" round. This little circle is perfect for all kinds of things, but I love layering circles in different colors to create a modern art feel. Just add color to the plate, press and pull. Move to your next color, press and pull. Keep going until you're happy with the layering. I love the way this looks. It looks so happy. Transferring images from magazine pages is part of the magic of gel press, and using my 6" round gel plate makes them look even better. I'm adding some black acrylic and placing my image onto the plate. You'll want to use an image with lots of contrast. Remove it after a few seconds to reveal the image. Let it dry for a few minutes and then add color over the image. Press down your paper, wait a few seconds, and pull this amazing piece of art. I really love this. My 6" by 6" gel press is easy to handle and wonderful for creating pieces for your art journals. I like using stencils to get lots of pattern. Just add some color to your gel press, place down the stencil, and remove the exposed paint. Remove the stencil and let the layer dry. Once it's dry, add a contrasting color on top, then press and pull your image. Just beautiful. Finding different color combinations is really fun. Not all gel presses are completely flat. There are a few impressible plates that are really fun to work with. I like to fill these with paint because it's not just about printing the pattern, it's about the pattern relief too. If you add tons of paint all over the gel press, then remove the paint on the circles, you get a wonderful relief print. If there's any more paint left over, don't waste it. Grab another sheet of paper, press and pull. Try using different colors together and really let your imagination go wild with this simple circular pattern. All right, those are my 5 favorite gel press items. I hope you like them as much as I do. I'm gonna leave a link below so that you can purchase any of these during this incredible gel press sale. Have an awesome week, everybody, and I'll see you real soon, okay? Bye.